Hello everyone, my best viewers. Today I'm going to show you how I crocheted this. Here is a chair or chair cover. The size of this thing is quite large. This cape in width is somewhere with my arm at the elbow. That's about 30 centimeters. And the length is about 50 centimeters. Despite its impressive size, it is very easy to knit. In the beginning, in the first row, I crocheted air loops. I crocheted one column in one loop and skipped it. And the last loop I didn't tighten and knit 9 stitches in it. Thus, I sort of had the first row lined up. After that, the second and subsequent rows are crocheted quite simply. I made 2 stitches in the corners of each row of the cape. There's 1 everywhere and 2 on the corners. That's the basic principle. You can observe this principle on this whole product. Once again, I want to say that despite the fact that this is a rather large product, it is super easy and simple to crochet. Why? Because the whole cape is crocheted using overlapping stitches. For this piece, I used a number 3 hook. That's 3 millimeters. I used different colors. I used as much leftover yarn as possible. You can use yarn like this. And if you don't have it, you can use a little bit thicker or a little bit thinner. Here your space for creativity is not limited. It's up to you. That's it. Put likes, subscribe to my channel and be sure to write comments. Bye bye.